In this video, we're going to see how to solve the following problem. So the average number of shoppers arriving at a supermarket checkout counter waiting to be served by a cashier is 6 per minute. Question: in any given minute, what is the probability that exactly 5 shoppers will arrive? Okay, so our time frame, for starters, is 1 minute. We're going to use 1 minute as our units of time. And we're wondering, during that time period, what is the probability that 5 shoppers arrive? So X is going to be set to 5. Whatever we're looking to solve for the probability of, that becomes our X value. Now we're told that 6 shoppers arrive per minute on average. So that becomes our lambda. Lambda is the number of events per time frame. So in this case, the number of shoppers arriving per 1 minute. Okay, we're now ready to solve this problem. It is a Poisson distribution, so we're going to use equals Poisson.DIST. Then we put in our X value first, which is the 5, comma, put in our mean or our average, which is lambda, which is the 6, comma. Now I'm going to put cumulative equal to false. Why? Because I just want the odds of exactly 5 shoppers arriving. In future videos, I'll talk about what it looks like when we use cumulative equal to true. Little note, we always use cumulative equal to false for Poisson if we want a probability of an exact number of events happening. So in this case, exactly 5 shoppers. Okay, let's hit enter and see what we get. 0.1606 is our answer. And there is that formula again for getting that value. So basically 16.06%, which we can display as a percentage here too if you'd like. So the probability that at any given moment or any given minute 5 shoppers will arrive is 16.06%. Okay, thanks for watching.